Hello YouTube, welcome to our channel. It's Nwezi and Asmau Zakari again on your screens. But this time around we're doing a collaboration with Dnvlogs. Yeah, so it's going to be a synchronization between Nwezi, Asmau Zakari, and then our Auntie Shola from Dnvlogs. Yeah, so please do kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Asmau Zakari, Nwezi, and Dnvlogs. Yes, we're going to
link. We're going to link our channel in the description below. So subscribe. I'm also going to link Asmau's channel in the description and my own channel. She also do same on our own channel. We're doing a YouTube collaboration, juicy, interesting topic. So you guys check it out. Check out Asmau's video. Check out my video and also Auntie Shola's video. Thank you so much, Auntie Shola, for this collaboration.
Yeah, Auntie Shola, thank you.
I want to welcome you, and my name is Shola Awe. This is Dnvlogslife. It's a channel where I have different things going on, mostly family vlogs, and I do it with my husband and my two girls. I live in the United States of America, Houston, Texas, and we do all sorts of things. We are living in diaspora, we are hustling, but basically what you see is what you get on this channel, Dnvlogslife, and this is the sister channel to Discovery Natural. This is the natural hair channel. That's my other channel. But thank you so much.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Nwezi vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. You must have watched the introduction of myself and Asmau and Dnvlogger. We are doing collaboration, 3 arts collaboration. Auntie Shola, if you're watching this video, God bless you real good. Thank you for your support in this YouTube community. Oh my God, I don't know if I've mentioned this to you before. I've been watching your channel, the other one, Discovering Natural. That was like 3-4 years ago. Your girls were still so young back then, but I didn't even know what YouTube was. But I just stumbled into your video then. I started watching. I watch when you guys are in E3. You know, I just watch a lot of your videos there, but I didn't really know. I wasn't a YouTuber then. I didn't just know anything. Not until just recently when I connected back to you again. But I now noticed, is this same woman? I started thinking, so I now saw your old video, your old channel, the other Discovery Nature, and I said, yes, this is Auntie Shola that I've watched like 4 years ago. You've been in this street for long, and you are the best person to do this collaboration with. So I had to tell Asmau, my friend, let's just talk about this and say my own side of being a YouTuber. I've been a YouTuber now for 8 months. Yeah, 8 months. I'm going to 1 year very soon, and Asmau too has been a YouTuber for a couple of months. So both of us, we both are going to share our experience, and of course our big boss Auntie Shola is going to spill the whole thing. He's going to tell us reality expectations of being a YouTuber. It's going to be wonderful. I'm going to leave all their link in the description. Please do subscribe to their channel. Tell them you're coming from Nwezi's channel. Let's dive straight into today's video. Yeah, basically I'll be talking about some secret life of being a YouTuber. Oh yeah, and a whole lot of other stuffs relating to YouTube. And if you're interested in this kind of video, please sit back and enjoy this video. So I listed out everything, so I didn't want to just make mistake. Asmau is going to talk about the starting off as a growing YouTuber and every other thing. So I might probably not talk about that right now. So I'm going straight to, as a YouTuber, you've started posting content, you started gaining ground, having more confidence on phone. This is not how I started. When I started, I think I made a video about it. I don't know if this video is coming up before then or after that video, I don't know, but I did a video on how I started with my phone and everything, how to use your phone to. I'm going to leave the link. If the video is up already, I'm going to leave the link here. So basically I started with my phone. Then what bettered my channel was actually business idea. I'm so passionate about business idea. I can go extra mile paying for a class, a master class, just to learn business, just to have idea of what is I have flair for this business. I really want to know about this business. I go extra mile pay to learn about this business. So at some point, a lot of people walk up to me asking me, oh, I want to start this business, which I know you have the idea. I told myself, oh, that was when I didn't really know much about YouTube. I felt, oh, let me be even posting our content. So that was how I started posting our content. I used my office then. I got early. I used my office. I sit down. I post my video. I sit down and edit my video. I just upload. That's how I started my YouTube channel. Yeah, deals influencer on YouTube, finances, business consultation, etc., etc. Let me go straight to the assets. As a Nigerian-based content creator, I still have issues with my pin. I mentioned in my other videos how I've not been able to get my AdSense painting now. It's over 3 months. That's the challenge we face as content creators in Nigeria. It's a huge challenge because the NIPO system in Nigeria is not as organized as abroad. So most times you have delay in your pin, delay in verification, all those things. But it's something that we overcome too. A whole lot of YouTubers are here and they're done with collecting their pin and they're verifying their account and every other thing. So it's something that also some persons that can overcome, that definitely you have to overcome it as a Nigeria-based YouTuber. Business aspect of YouTube, yeah, there's business aspect of YouTube when you need to grow your brand. Yes, this is you, especially for those of you who post content like business content, who post about YouTube information. Yeah, there's business aspect of YouTube. I'm going to talk about that later. Then let me talk about the influential part of YouTube. Yeah, a whole lot of YouTubers that I know, that I love, also are are people who influence other upcoming YouTuber, not small YouTuber. You guys, upcoming YouTuber. No YouTuber is small, because being a YouTuber is a big deal. So no YouTuber is small. Yeah, like Auntie Shola. Auntie Shola is one person that inspired me so much. The fact that she doesn't look down on anybody. She collaborates with anybody, she shares anybody video, she just open up. Her DMs are always open to talk to people, to reply comments, to reply DM, to talk to people, she's just there on Facebook. She's their follower on Facebook too. She's my friend on Facebook. We also relate. So she's a big influencer here in this YouTube community. Another person I'm going to mention is Kelechi Mwemena. This lady is one person that is a one-stop channel that anything you want basically about YouTube, about growing YouTube, shooting with your phone, best gadget to use for your phone, best lighting, how to position your, a whole lot of our content is so quality. She has quality content. I have other YouTubers who is doing so well in this YouTube community. Talking about Dinah Kwame, who just did a successful collaboration with my friend Asmau Zakari. These are influencers on YouTube who don't look down on your numbers. I knew when I collaborated with Dinah Kwame, I was less than 1,000 when I reached out to her about collaboration. And we collaborated together. So basically this video is not about collaboration, but collaboration is one thing, and as an influencer, yeah, you have to open up to collaborate with other people. It helps. Yeah, it does help so much. It does help reaching out to other people. A whole lot of people. This community is wide, you guys. So a whole lot of people will know you. Some persons that might probably not know you before will not say, oh, I don't really know this person, and this person has great content. I can start giving you a whole lot of example of people that collaboration has helped and really push them out there, and a whole lot of people got to know about them. Successful collaboration, that's some collaboration that are not successful. Let me tell you why some collaborations are not successful. As a growing YouTuber, as an upcoming YouTuber, you just started off and you just have 3-4 content, you're not consistent, and the next thing you're eyeing a big YouTuber and you want to collaborate with the person. The truth is, I'll tell you the truth. When I collaborated with Dinah, I wished I collaborated with Dinah now. I'll tell you the truth. Yeah, I felt I was doing so well, though my content wasn't really too good. It wasn't as organized back then. I don't even look at the camera. Most times I look at myself. Instead of I look at myself. This way is just looking at myself right now. I don't focus on the camera. So a whole lot of my videos back then are just all over the place. I don't focus. My editing skill wasn't much. A whole lot of mistake I was making then. And people actually, the Dynamite, you know, the Dynamite clan, you guys are so supportive. They are so supportive. So immediately I collaborated. Then a lot of people came to my channel. Yeah, oh, I'm coming from Dynamite. I'm coming from Dynamite. At the end of the day, do you get them to stay? That's the point. Will they stay? Will they like your content? most times as upcoming YouTuber, we are eager to collaborate. Collaboration is good, don't get me wrong, but most times don't be too quick to get those collaboration. Work on your content, have a whole lot of content, have something to present. So when those new people come, they have a whole lot of videos, a whole lot of things to watch. Some of them, after a successful collaboration, you guys, you see that your old videos are even going up, your views are going up because of successful collaboration, and because you already have good videos out there, you already have good things out there, which when people visit your channel, they see and and they stay, and all of your videos they stay. That is what I call a successful collaboration. We're having now with Auntie Shola, success is going to be a successful collaboration, and the collaboration that Dinah and Asmau will just add is a successful collaboration. You understand? A whole lot of wonderful collaboration that my friend Lily Pop, Nwezi Uche, and Fantastic Favor had. That was a fantastic, wonderful collaboration. You understand? So moving on to another point, we have the financial aspect of YouTube, the business aspect, when sharing out your knowledge to other people, organizing masterclass, which some of the big YouTubers just organize masterclass, and people paid and shared their knowledge, what they've gained so far over the year, sharing their knowledge to upcoming YouTubers who are eager to grow, who are eager to learn more things, who are eager to excel in this YouTube community. You understand? So there's the other business part of it, where if I tell you the numbers of emails I get every day, where people tell me, oh, I saw a business that you put up, I'm interested in this business, we chat, and the next thing they sign up, or I tell them how to start the business. I'll tell you the numbers of people that have registered successfully with big amount of money are from YouTube. That's the business aspect. That's why I can't stop posting about businesses on my YouTube. That's the getting from AdSense. I'm also getting money because I share my business, I share my knowledge, I share business, I share something with my subscribers. And a whole lot of people search for that content, maybe how to make money or how to start a business in Nigeria, or businesses to start, online business. I have those kind of videos on my channel, and those people reach out to me. Oh, I heard you're doing this business. For instance, I do long reach, I do recharge and get paid, I do all other stuff. Oh, you're doing long reach. Oh, I really want to start this long reach, and blah blah blah. After that, the next thing we start communicating. They send money, I sign them up, I put them through, and there's one person on my team already. That's the business aspect of YouTube. I'm not talking of the AdSense now, So there's a whole lot of things to leverage on in this YouTube, a whole lot of things to leverage on. Consultancy is there. You have a big YouTuber who you have to pay for one of them for something. You pay for consultancy fee. There's aside the money that AdSense is paying. That the AdSense money is not too much, it depends, and it all depends, especially for us that is still upcoming. We still struggle with having at least getting crossing our threshold every month. I know we still struggle with that, but there are other big YouTubers who cash out on a monthly basis, who cash out real money as in real cash on a monthly. Ask around, you will know they cash out real money on YouTube. So if you really want to take your YouTube seriously, this is I'm giving you the juicy and secret of being a YouTuber. The secret of being a YouTuber, you guys. If you really want to cash out, and if you really want to make this YouTube thing a business, you really want to grow, you really want to keep your influence, you really want to pass information there, you have to be strategic about it. Look at my friend Asmau. She does beauty stuff, she does natural stuff, and all of this. Apart from when AdSense start paying her now, she has a business there already. She has a business, and she's getting that popularity already on YouTube. She has a business there. A whole lot of people now will message her. She has told me severally that a whole lot of people see that video, how to make this soap, how to make this, and contacted her, and they've done private training for them. You understand? That's extra, making extra money off YouTube, and that is the whole essence of being an influencer on YouTube, or being on YouTube and knowing what you're doing on YouTube. Yeah. I know a lot of us do a lot of lifestyle, a whole lot of every other thing. A whole lot of people do things not related to business or selling things on YouTube. That's also a way to monetize your YouTube apart from AdSense, apart from getting money from AdSense. You understand? So find a niche that you think, information that you can pass, that can make people reach out to you for something. That is how to monetize, apart from monetizing being AdSense monetization. That's another way to monetize your YouTube. You understand? I hope I'm making sense. So I'm just here giving you tips. I'm just here giving you tips, giving you secrets of being a successful YouTuber. Secret that has helped a lot of people. I'm still a growing YouTuber, but I can count the businesses I've successfully sealed just posting things on YouTube. I can team on my business team just posting about business on YouTube. You understand? Brand deals. I think I'm going to end here. Brand deals. Yeah, I know about 2 companies has reached out to me with paternal brand deals, but it wasn't successful because of the payment involved and every other thing. I didn't talk much about brand deals now until I successfully work with a brand. Then I can talk about how to get your brand deal sorted and every other things. You understand? So basically, these are just the secrets of being a successful YouTuber. Some secret that some YouTuber might probably not tell you, but videos that you might probably not see on the internet. But I just want to share with you. You know, most times I like giving tips about YouTube and how I've gotten to this stage, what I've done to get to this stage, and every other thing. You guys, thank you so much for this video. I really enjoy myself making the video, and it's so important taking down notes. And it's so important taking down notes when making video. I have to just take down some notes. So like I told you, Asmau is going to talk about the struggle of an upcoming YouTuber, especially in Nigeria, and where she is today, how she has gotten to where she is today. And so I just focused on this particular business and the money aspect of YouTube. You guys, you know I'm an Igbo girl and I love money. To take this aspect of the video, and Auntie Shola took a reality expectation, and you know, just check out our video, check them out. Please subscribe to our channel. Please check them out. Please subscribe to their channel, subscribe to Auntie Shola's channel, and they will be in the screen. Their link will be in the description. Subscribe to Asmau's channel. Tell them you're coming from Nwezi. And I want to say a big thank you to Auntie Shola, Dnvlog. Thank you so much. God bless you for all you're doing in this community, for the collaboration, for the support, for being just an amazing woman. Thank you so much. And I remain your girl Uche Nwezi, vlogging from the Garden City. The Garden City is Port Harcourt, if you don't know. And Port Harcourt is in Nigeria, West Africa. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye.